What is happening, guys? We are Craig and Amy and you are watching Kinging It. Where's the tornado?
And this is the last week we're going to be in this barn renovating our bus named Custard.
As of next week, we will be on the open road, road tripping our way with the breeze in our hair to Bonnie, Scotland.
Oh, hi, man. Roll the intro.
Oh, Jesus.
Her name is Custard. And she's a big green and creamy butter. So she'll be our home.
Pesto.
And we can go anywhere in her. Sometimes we call her Pestard, like pesto and custard. I'd love to say that we're basically finished, but we ain't, because this is Kinging It, and we always leave things to the last minute. So, this is our big man list. And it's practically done, apart from the vital thing, which is find a hot water heater.
We can tick that one.
Well, we found the one we want, but no one's got it in stock.
Oh, brilliant.
And install hot water heater.
Yeah.
We can't do that because we haven't got the one that we want yet.
Yeah.
The locks are 50% done.
Yeah.
Back door doesn't open yet.
No.
Because
Oh, you just played with it, didn't you?
We'll talk about that later. So other than that, that's the big man list done.
Amazing.
We got another list, of course we have, but it's not as important because we need hot water for our Airbnb.
So the first job of the day was to go and see Gary to order our gas bottle and a few other bits.
There is still a fair few things to do inside the bus, so let's crack on. This little section here, obviously, is a bit rough and ready, so if I just, yeah, that's perfect. That looks much better. Love it. So it's the finishing details. Do you know what I mean, Craig?
It's all in the details.
It's all in the details, yeah.
Top job, that.
Have they gone through the wall?
No, we're alright.
They're okay.
Morning lads, today we're down Gary's workshop and we're going to be fitting the gas. So we've gone for Gas It. So this is the new gas bottle, which is twice the size of that puny little thing that we used to have. So we're making some room in the bus. We're going to actually have an outlet that's going to go on the side of the bus, so that when we pull up to petrol stations and whatever, you just stick a little hose in there and fill up your gas. You don't have to change the bottles, and it's super cheap as well. So this was recommended by the Indie Project, so thanks for that, guys. And apparently you can get these all over Europe and the UK. So not only are we doing that, but I'm doing side markers today. So I've been doing a bit of soldering and that, do you know what I mean? On the heat gun. So now I'm going to install these in the side, because when we replaced all of the panels, we lost all of the side markers, so I gotta like relink all the wires and all that. Don't worry about it, lads, I got it sorted. We're so close to finishing now. Amy didn't actually sleep very well last night because the dog kept her up, so she'll be down in a bit. Three days later.
Okay, that's enough.
Perfect. So this is our emergency escape door, but our handle was always hidden behind the mattress. So what Gary's going to do is he's going to put a little button by there, so we can just press the button and open the door. And he's also going to fix the lock because it's not working. Look who showed up.
To the shithole.
half a day banister, is
What are
it?
you doing? Like, because of the state of it.
This is what grafting looks like, love.
Hey, I needed my beauty sleep, okay? Don't get up as early as you lads.
So we made a couple more purchases for the bus. Some of it is a bit over the top.
Well, we leave everything to last minute, so it's like, oh, quick, we need one of those. Just get anything, and it's massive.
So we got a safe. So if you're thinking about breaking into our bus, think
Don't
again,
even
mate.
think about
Don't even
it.
think about it. Not only have we got a safe, we got you on CCTV.
Way!
So your mug's going on the internet, son. If you try and break in.
Courtesy of Thea and Bio from the Indie Projects,
Yeah.
they've recommended that.
So yeah, they recommended the gas as well. So thanks, guys.
Yeah, that's what we're having installed now, innit?
Also, a few other bits. We only got a bloody Nutri-Bullet.
Oh, we needed it though, didn't we?
We're gonna be little Vanlife blender wankers now.
Like, we watch Eamon and Beck and we're like, oh, they're really good with their food, you know, they're vegan, they make really nice smoothies and
Fake
everything,
moustaches.
and we're just like, we have like frazzles and meatballs for breakfast. So I'm thinking if we have a Nutri-Bullet, we might be, you know, clean food, healthy eating, you know, we can blend some stuff up and make some stuff. Yeah?
Some soup in there.
Some soup and some hummus and things like that. What else we got?
So Amy came up with this genius idea.
Oh, I am a genius though, ain't I?
So these cups are foldable.
Yeah.
To look at
They're
that.
dodgy.
Sketchy.
They were cheap. Well, we won't lie, they were cheap.
Amy's idea is that we can fill these with water to there, and then pop them down, chuck them in the freezer,
Pop them in the freezer.
pop them out,
Fill your drink up.
ice cold drink, mate.
Happy days.
Genius, that is, kid.
Oh, you can have that one for free.
So we're going to be with a couple of mates on our road trip, so we can have guests this time.
Yeah.
On our Euro trip, we were like, oh, loads of people will come in the bus. We bought like normal coffee that's not decaf because we were like, you know, we're going to have loads of guests.
Gonna entertain.
Nobody showed up.
No friends.
Didn't make any friends in
No,
Europe.
nobody.
So this time we got actual friends. So one of the most important things we got is this.
What is that?
This is a humane mouse trap.
Oh, right.
So what happens is you put a bit of food in the end, your mouse trots in. Once he steps on that,
It just
drops
closes.
down and he can't get out.
Oh, but they'd be scared.
It'd be alright, there's breathing holes, so then what we do is we just release him into the wild.
No, we get him and we kick him and go, don't come back.
So Gareth rigged up a button, so we can lock it, open it and lock it from inside now.
Yeah. Our emergency exit, which we probably should have had last
Yeah.
year.
And then you just, up is open, is it? And then you just pull that, and then the door
And it's
opens.
open.
How good is that?
The stress we've had with that door has been mental.
Oh, cool.
So that's brilliant.
That's it.
Go on, I'm going. How's your day going, Drive?
I'm having a great day today.
Yeah?
I just love it when loads of stuff gets done.
Yeah.
So Gareth's finished the exhaust, the side markers have gone on, Gary's installed the gas with like the side hookup,
Yeah.
so you can just fill the gas up at a petrol station.
Wicked.
So he's plumbed it all in, the oven's been plumbed in,
Yeah.
so now we're going to go and fill up the gas
Yeah.
for the first time, figure out how it's done, and then we're going to come back and test out the oven and the hob to make sure it's all working.
And all of our orders have come from Amazon. Today is a great day.
See mine, homegrown.
I forget how beautiful she looks in the sunshine. Please don't kill her. Oh. How much was that then?
£10.92
For 20 litres?
for 20 litres of gas.
Oh, brilliant.
That small, like, tiny camping gas that we were using before, it was 36 quid for that, and it lasted about 5 weeks. So that
Yeah.
should last us like a couple of months,
Ages.
hopefully.
Yeah.
Kind of like the gas.
Yay!
Oh, we're cooking! That's the hob and the oven all going at the same time.
That all works, yeah.
Sunday roast all round.
It's nice and warm in here now as well, isn't it?
I
Like
know.
it acts as like a heating.
No, we don't even need the heating on.
So whenever you need something, you need to have a friend like Gary, because you just go, oh, could really do with a so-and-so. And he goes, yep, got one of them upstairs on the left.
Stock item, that.
Stock item. And I go, oh, really could have done with one of those. He goes, I tell you what, Aim, I've got one. And I'm like, yes, Gar. So I just said to him, because he knows everybody in Barry, I was like, do you know somebody who could wash our upholstery? Is that the right word? Just clean it. It needs a good scrub. Like where the RAC guys have been and all these guys with mucky hands. It's very dirty. He was like, hang on a minute. So we went upstairs and he's got an upholstery cleaner. So I'm about to do that.
Custard cam is now live.
Custard cam.
The best part about this is you can pop the camera wherever you want and you can like connect to it. We need some Wi-Fi in the bus first. But you can connect to it and then you can talk. So if someone did break in, I can literally press a button and be like, get out of the bus! We can see you, you're on CCTV. What I'd really say is, get out of the bus, you
Alright, so just before we go home, we're going to set the little mouse trap. Craig's like, got any food? I was like, we have actually got some cheese, but it's vegan cheese. So he's probably going to be like, no thanks.
But he did eat the vegan chocolate, so maybe Stuart's vegan.
He did, yeah. Stuart, is that what you're calling him?
Stuart large.
Right, where does this go then?
Don't give him that much. You only need a little bit in the back box, the little one. If Stuart trots in, steps on the little back piece.
Oh, cheese. This falls down.
It falls down and it all goes. Alright, we'll meet you tomorrow morning then, Stu.
Oh.
Enjoy your cheese.
Morning guys, so we've made our way back up to the farm and we're going to check the mouse trap. I don't know if there's anything in there. I'm praying there is, but there isn't, because I want to capture.
Come on then, let's go.
I'm excited, you're excited. Is that?
Oh my god.
Oh, is he actually in there?
There's a mouse in there.
No!
Oh, look at him, he's tiny.
Flipping heck.
Hi,
Oh,
mate.
he's moving! Oh.
He's alive.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, what do we do next?
Oh no. Is he alright? Do you think he needs some water?
I'm not sure.
Should I give him a bath?
How good is that trap though?
Yeah.
At least he's had loads of food.
So I'm not sure what to do with him, because if we just let him go, he's just going to run straight back in, because he lives in this barn. So he's just going to run straight back into the thing. We can't just let him go over there or something.
Yeah, should we do that?
I know what to do with him. So I'm just going to say, listen, I've got a tenner. Is there any chance you can take him off our hands, you know, raise him as your own? Just foster him until we leave. It's the tenner, isn't it? He wants the tenner. But you have to take really good care of him. Any chance? 10 whole pounds, 10 whole Great British pounds.
The cows didn't want to go through the legal process of adoption, so plan B.
Okay, so I've taken him out and I'm just so gently going to wrap him in some tissue and then...
Hut! 42! 69! 21! Hut! Hut! And he is out of here!
I am only joking. So I think we're in a different barn now. So I think if we just let him out in here, hopefully he won't run back to our place. Because he's a field mouse, so there's a great field. There's a great field over there. Spend your life there. It'd be great. Oh, there he goes. Go on, fella. That's it. Free! Yay! Oh, it's nice. Don't come back. Nah, but seriously though, all jokes aside, we just hit 60,000 subscribers.
So happy with that, guys. Honestly, thank you all so much.
60,000 subscribers, that's a whole lot of people.
To put it into perspective, if you were to stretch out all of the arteries, capillaries and veins in one adult from end to end, they would stretch out for over 60,000 miles.
And if you were going to count from 1 to 60,000, it would take you about 16 hours. There's not that many facts of 60,000 online, didn't really know what to Google, so that's all we've got for you.
So yeah, thanks to everyone like new and old, for people who sticking with us from way back when. So back in New Zealand in 2015 is when we started our regular vlogs.
Yeah.
When we were in Auckland, we were doing chores to make some money so that we could drive our very first van, Linda the Lucida, from Auckland to Queenstown. We can never have imagined all the things that we would have done since then, and none of it would have been possible without you, you bunch of legends.
So before we end this vlog, guys, we just want to say, we know it's a bit of a crazy world out there right now, and you know, the last 6 months have been a bit different with coronavirus. So if you've been mentally affected by this, you know, if you know anybody, or if yourself, if you've been financially burdened by this, if you've lost your job, or you know, if you just feel quite lonely because of the social distancing and you're not able to see your friends and family, then we just hope you're okay.
Yeah, so we hope that a lot of you have messaged and said that our videos have helped you through the lockdown and stuff. So we're so glad that, you know, just being able to put these videos out, we've been able to help you through it, because it has been a crazy time, even for us as well. So yeah, we hope you're okay. And the other thing we wanted to say is, if this is a time for you where maybe you have lost your job and you want to like change your career, or go for something that you've been thinking about for a long time, then just take the plunge. You know what I mean? If you've got a hobby you want to go for, pick it up. Or if you have watched all of our renovations on this and you're like, I would love to get a van,
like,
then just do it.
I know there's somebody watching this right now, and I'm looking at you, and you sit there day in, day out, and you watch van renovations and you love it, and you watch people go all around Europe and the world, and you think to yourself, I'd really love to do that, Ange. Maybe we could do that one day. Now's the time to do it. Like try and do it, you know, if you can.
Why not?
Because there's no point in sitting there and watching other people do it. If we can do it, I say this all the time, but we're a great example of what not to do and how not to do things. So if we can do it, you guys can do it, honestly. And it'll change your life. It's a brilliant thing to do. We highly recommend it.
100%. So today is Sunday, so this is actually going out today.
Yeah.
This video. All we've got left to do is clean the bus.
Yeah.
Dress the bus.
Yeah.
And fit the water heater, which we still haven't got. It's out of stock everywhere, so we're hoping it comes Tuesday.
Yeah. So online they're like, it's coming at the end of the month, which is technically tomorrow.
Yeah.
So fingers crossed, they get it in on Monday, they next day deliver it to us on Tuesday, and we fit it on Tuesday. And then on the open road.
Yeah, so we're supposed to be leaving Thursday
at
next
the
week.
latest, yeah.
So we got about 4 or 5 days left.
Yeah, wicked.
So thanks for tuning in again, lads. Thanks for following the Custard journey.
Yeah.
And tell them, Aim. Tell them what they should do.
I mean, we've already preached to you, but always make sure you're subscribed to this channel. You put the little bell notification on so you don't miss us and our beautiful faces. And always remember to rule your own world.
1, 2, 3, bye!